Hello friends, welcome to Code with Vinz. I'm Vinz and today we're building a fantastic real estate website called EstateSphere, perfect for showcasing properties with a modern look. It has a cool loader, a sleek search form, a property carousel, and a dark light theme toggle built with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Tailwind CSS. We'll explore the UI, break down the code for beginners, and share the source code. If we hit 30 Licasso, hit that like button. We're aiming for 500 subscribers. So please like, share, and subscribe to join our coding family. Let's dive in. Let's check out this awesome EstateSphere website. It starts with a gradient spinning loader that fades out to reveal the page. The fixed navbar has the EstateSphere logo, links for saved, login, and sign up, and a drop-down for large screens or a sliding menu for mobile. A theme toggle switches between light and dark modes, updating the hero section's background image. The hero section features a bold, Find Your Dream Home title and a Glassmorphism search form with inputs for location, property type, and price range. The features section highlights smart search, best prices, and verified listings with icon cards. A featured properties carousel shows cards for cities like Mumbai and Bangalore with images, prices, and details, scrollable with arrows on desktop. The Why Choosers section has a grid of benefits like trusted agents, top locations, shows city cards with property counts and hover effects. The footer includes company links, resources, social icons, and a copyright. It's responsive and looks great on all devices. Now, let's explore the code. Let's start with the HTML, the foundation of our website. We use an HTML5 structure with meta tags for charset and responsiveness and a title, Prime Properties. CDNs load Tailwind CSS, font awesome for icons, and Poppins font with a Tailwind config for dark mode and custom fonts. The body begins with a loader div containing an SVG with gradient animations hidden after 2.5 seconds. The navbar is a flex container with the EstateSphere logo, links for saved, login, sign up, and a drop-down menu for large screens with options like recently viewed. A mobile hamburger icon toggles a sliding menu. A fixed theme toggle button with moon, sun icons sits bottom right. The hero section has a background image, light, dark mode, and a centered search form with inputs for location, property type, price range, and a search button. The features section uses a 3-column grid with cards for smart search and more. The featured properties section has a city selector and a carousel of property cards with images, titles, prices, and bed, bath counts. Why Choosers has a 4-column grid of benefit cards. Top Locations uses a grid for city cards with images and property counts. The footer includes a logo, company links, resources, social icons, and a dynamic copyright year. This structure is clean and semantic. Now, let's cover the CSS, which creates the modern real estate style using Tailwind and custom rules. The body has a white background in light mode and gray 900 in dark mode, with text colors adjusting automatically. The loader is a fixed full-screen div with an SVG animation using keyframes for a spinning ring and ball, styled with pink to blue gradients. The navbar uses Tailwind's backdrop blur for large screens with a blue-green logo and hover effects on links. The mobile menu slides in with a transform transition. The hero section has light, dark background images, centered and covering the section with a Glassmorphism search form using rounded corners and shadows. Form inputs have absolute position icons and borders that adapt to dark mode. The features section uses a grid with semi-transparent cards, rounded icons, and text, switching to slate 800 in dark mode. The carousel is a flex container with horizontal scrolling and snap points for mobile, hidden overflow for desktop, and rounded arrow buttons. Property cards have fixed height images and blue hover buttons. Why Choosers and Top Location sections use grids with cards that scale on hover. The footer has a slate 100 background, gray 800 in dark mode, with hover effects on social icons. Media queries ensure responsiveness, and Poppins font adds a professional look. Let's bring it to life with JavaScript. On page load, a 2.5-second timeout hides the loader and shows the content for a smooth transition. The large screen drop-down menu toggles when clicking the menu button and closes on outside clicks using event listeners. For mobile, the Hamburger button slides the menu in by removing a translate X full class, and the close button slides it out with a 500 milliseconds transition. The theme toggle switches the dark class on the root element, updates the theme icon moon to sun, and changes the hero section's background image between light and dark modes. The carousel on DOM load uses prev next buttons to scroll left or right by one card's width plus margin, calculated dynamically for smooth scrolling. This JavaScript ensures the site is interactive and user-friendly for property searches. That's a wrap, friends. Our Prime Properties website tutorial is complete. I hope you're excited to build this real estate site. If we hit 30 likes, I'll share the source code link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe to Code with Vinz. We are chasing 500 subscribers. Comment below what's next, maybe a booking app or another cool website. Thanks for watching, keep coding, and see you in the next video. Bye.